What's up? This is Dream Chasing Hair with a tutorial on my natural invisible ponytail. Right now I'm doing some detangling with my Wakeful Bliss deep treatment. I left it in for about 20 minutes. Now I'm just combing it through and then I'm gonna rinse it out. Okay, everything's rinsed out. Now I'm using my serum to put through my hair just like a dime size. I don't want to use my oil because it's going to be a little bit too heavy for me to press out my hair, so just a little bit goes a long way. I'm sectioning my hair into 4 big braids. Try to do them a little tight so you can stretch out your root. I will be using the blow dryer, but this is like a way of it air drying a little bit, so I won't use too much heat. I'm going to let it air dry while I go to my boys' football games. Okay, now I'm back with one of my minions in the background, my youngest boy, Mel. But I'm just using my FHI blow dryer just to comb it through, not super duper straight, but just enough. Now I'm going to go in with my Hypnotic Shine Mist as a heat protectant before I start straightening. Okay, now look at that. She ready. Okay, now I've parted my hair. I just did the front section. I'm not going to straighten out the back. It's really no need to do that because it's not going to be really showing and it's going to be pulled back in the ponytail, so I'm not going to straighten that. But I'm going in with my Babyliss flat irons on like 420, 430, and just going to press out my edges a little bit. I'm not going all the way to the ends because I don't really need to. Like I said, it's going to be pulled back in the ponytail. So if you don't have to use heat on a certain part of your hair, don't even do it. So just do the front, which is the main focus. All right, now the front part is straight. That's all I needed to do. Now I'm gonna go in with my scrunchie without a clasp on it and my Serenity Edge Tamer to hold it down, to mold it. I don't like to use gel, just my edge control. It's really good. And you can use as much as you need to. It's not a certain amount because it's not really greasy and it doesn't weigh your hair down, but it still gives like a sleek look without looking crunchy and, you know, greasy. everyone should have one of these brushes in their house, like a man's brush. Not too hard though, to really smooth down your hair. And now that my hair is secure, I'm gonna go ahead and do a big braid in the back, and then I'm gonna tie it down with a secure holder. Not a rubber band, but just like a holder without a clasp, so it won't snag my ends. All right, choosing the right hair is very, very important. You don't want to really use anything that looks shiny and synthetic, but I'm using my raw Indian hair. This is like my third time even playing with it, but I'm using it as a ponytail. It's like an Indian curly, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap that around. I'm starting with a bobby pin towards the end. Make sure it's secure, because that's like the important part of it, so that it's holding on the bottom. I'm not using glue, just a bobby pin. Then I'm gonna go ahead and start wrapping it around. I'm wrapping it around tightly, but overlapping it so it can be kind of full. And I'm not putting the bobby pins on every single row that I'm wrapping. It's just like every other one. So don't feel like you got to put a bobby pin on every single row that you wrap around. Also, I double track this so that it could be a lot faster and easier for me and create that full look. If you sometimes single wrap it with just like one track, it's gonna like not be as full. So that's why I like to do two. Now that the ponytail is finished wrapping, I'm gonna take a piece of it and wrap it around, probably like 2 pieces of hair to create like a little thick look wrap around so that it looks more natural. And then I'm gonna just put 2 bobby pins in it, and then that's basically it with the wrapping. Kind of smooth out my hair there. Natural girls, always use hairspray. Please do not use spritz. I do not even own a can of spritz, so hairspray is always my best friend. And just like that, I'm ready for my date night. Something easy and sleek. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram.